It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. It's Kaizer Chiefs 2, Sekhukhune United 0 in the Betway Premiership. Men of the match, Langelihle Pili, in this game. It's very, very cold throughout South Africa. It was a very tough one for the people, I'm sure, were at the stadiums, across all South African stadiums tonight. We've just watched the game, Junior. What did you think of the game, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Justice Sithole.
Just.
Benedict Vilakazi. Ngibulise uShane.
Shane Machine.
Ngibulise uBubu. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Diski TV, fighting one try to fighting South African football.
Justice, when you call him Justice Sithole, he doesn't know that you actually had a teammate about Justice Sithole.
Yeah, there was some respect.
Yes, Chiefs had a player called Justice Sithole.
Yeah, he's striker. Yeah, because I'm a patient. Yeah, every time Chiefs playing, ngifuna ukubona this boy Phili mina. Langelihle Phili, exciting player. Chiefs, when they sign scout players, they need to sign. This boy, these are type of players that they need. Exciting player. Whether the team is down, Chiefs are down, I mean, as sikhulume game yonke, overall game, performance both teams. Ngicala ngeSekhukhune, disappointing. Yabo, it's like they're not training together. Ngathi bachimama group by two. They can't combine. They don't create chances because of they can't combine. I was work create kanjani ama chances unga combine. No combination play. So my chances no create kanjani. Ngama crosses, ngama long ball, second ball. It's not gonna work because too many back passes. Ngibona uKaruso uyoba spreaded amabhola than this guy uKhiba na Mkhize and Coop as well. Very disappointing. Midfielders were static. First half nje there's no movement between both teams. Mthethwa Mabuye olomfana uBatman at Kaizer Chiefs. Kubo Coupe and Mkhize keeper as well. Static. Both teams. So game vele bekufanele ukuthi be the wing akhona. No creative. How many shots on target? My chances engakhuluma nga first half. A poor game, honestly. A very boring game khuluma nga first half. There's no like movement much. Ilo mfana uPhili ezingisho. It's a pity movement. Movie yakhe bekayiqala from deep. Iyafini yakhe carrying the ball. Any coach instruction ukuthi amawing akhe angangeni phakathi. Uyambona ukuthi udlala under instruction, but a quality player. Every time he got the ball, footwork, change of gear, change direction, yalazi ball. Yabo, it's a pity udlalela away from ipali kube bebamsondeza phambi kwepali ngabe ukorili got the cool because mina benyom allow ukuthi angene phakathi when you lose the ball go
and you could see when he's got the ball ukuthi sometimes bekazama ukungena phakathi
and then I stop.
Yeah, I think maybe the other problem is the link as well. Number 10 wakhe he could have done better in terms of if he had a better number 10.
That's why ngisho ngithi abo Batman is more of a player they run technically. They play with they're good technique. Certain players for certain team. But man, he can cross. A typical Cape Town player. We no velepai. You understand? A typical badala wide. They cross. You understand? They can't take players on. Phili we have a rate. He can play 1-2. He can shoot direct. He can dribble you. We are ukudrobanta by 2. We understand we are linda the right moment. He can combine. We are ungena phakathi. So a very talented, skillful player. So exciting ubukela lo mpana first half. He's the only player I think excited. Both teams not exciting. Mina was disappointed for these guys. Mkwena disappointing. Khuluma wing. Yes, Sekhukhune. Striker Ndlovu.
Brighton Ndlovu as well.
Brighton Ndlovu. Disappointing. Bright Ndlovu as well. Disappointing, honestly speaking. Ubani Ramala. Very disappointing. Front three yabo. Even in the midfield, 3-4-3 coach udlala kanjalo. Disappointing. Abantu by 3 in the midfield, also 3 up front. Very disappointing. Honestly.
Yeah, we noticed as well when we were watching them. They just wanted to react. Abomujela with the last 10 minutes. Why is it that they want to chase the game? Because maybe in the second half you can argue that after Ikoreli Chiefs, then Sekhukhune is trying to come to life.
Some coaches they are very lucky, man. Mina for me, some coaches I don't understand. Funwazi kazi, but well, about Jonas, I mean I'm not surprised. Sekhukhune they've got this tendency to take coaches, especially number players that we are my big team. You understand? I'm not surprised signing coach Chiefs, we are Kaizer Chiefs. By turn this thing like number players that we are my big team they come in. Irrespective to umuntu good kangakanani akekho good kangakanani sign. Coach lo, he came here to play for Itro. Second half, I think Chiefs deserve to win the game. Second half, coach Chiefs the Cruz ngemshayela izandla. Amasapa wenzile. Dokule sub lega mabuye mina bengizomkhipha umthethwa. You understand? Bengizomiyeka uMabuye adlale. But Mabuye, sometimes as the game go, he look ordinary because of we carry team. Like I said in the last game, he's more of a box-to-box player, also defensive midfield. We are link between defense and midfield. Second half much better. Up front, but at the energy. Ubonile mabafaka umdu uqale naye bit slow naye. Makangena kumthatha about. I know we are going to umdu. But good run from a cross run. Iwing amelenze so umdu they need to learn this. Good run kuleka angeke uhlale wide. Noma udlala number 10, you go wide and then ungena phakathi. Uyayibhena le run well done. Good pass from Ndlovu. This is some Shaile's and Ndlovu what if they do such things. I mean good pass and fitting outside surprise my opponent. Do accelerator, good finish. Yeah, and I need to compliment him. And Mfundo Vilakazi, I think naye ungene waba impact player. Mfundo mangabe it doesn't play negative. When they play him behind the defense and then he goes on the line and cross the ball. Or he try to take somebody on. Some Shaile's and tata somebody on. Then holding the ball, pass, somebody to take somebody, we are holder. Go backwards with a negative pass, then turns up at man when he plays for Magadlali wing. You understand? Then second half much better. I think Chiefs they deserve because Kukun they don't deserve anything in this game.
100%.
Yeah, they don't deserve anything at all. How many shots on target? Ile shot le goalkeeper. I think they had to react. Umjela, I think the cross pinpoint. I think la defense yeah la. You understand? I'm not too sure Kwinika or this guy Mikel. It's supposed to be a goal. But good positioning from this guy, which is Peterson. But Chiefs, I think they deserve a special second half. Much better in terms of combination. Last 30 minutes, I think they integrated by lane. If they score one goal, in order for you to maintain, circulate the ball in right position. I think Bagwenzile logo last 30 minutes and final about and much better from them. Just they need to build from here. But Skukun is disappointing, honestly. It's like Ngatik Chimama group by Twitch training. They can't even combine. That's why it was my chances. Normally they were losing. I mean, they never look like a side that is losing. So, yeah, honestly, Chiefs 8 is a major win.
Yeah, and before I let you go, we've seen the Chiefs, Golden Arrows. We've seen them in the previous game with Kruger. We've seen them tonight as well. Ayikahlangani lento ayenzayo umqeqeshi. Other factor is that what can we make from Chiefs so far? Forget about the results, but what do we see them doing when they play? What are they trying to do? Because I did mention in the second half, Uguti, they don't look like a possession-based team. That's why they don't have control of football matches. What do they look like to you?
Most of a position team, you need special quality players. In order for you to maintain the game, you need special players. You need Abu Nkwena, you need Abu Alende. You need Abu Sipombule. You understand? You need type of players. Abantabazo Lomfana the late. You understand? This boy was Sundowns.
Jaden Adams.
Jaden Adams the late. And you need special players in order for you, especially in the midfield. You need players. Abazo tati game boy is my opponent. Nkuluma ngama attacker. Jengo Pili. You need Abu Pili by 3. You understand? And so unfortunately they don't have those type of players. Ukupendula ukuthi yini engiyibonayo. Still lacking identity. He want to play on crosses. Same Nabi what he was doing. Uzoba under pressure coach going forward. No. Omunye na isizini angayiqeda angayiqedi. Kusamele nje sicele sibone kahle direction because yesterday he won. He lose Golden Arrows and then he won today. Okay, obvious they've got this belief, but truly speaking team yakhe identity. Identity mangithi indlela okudlala. Team Chiefs is a big team. If they score 1 goal, they need to maintain. They need to dominate. They're playing at home. West Badlala home. You understand? They need special players in certain position. Kunama player kumele carry game. Like Kubong Upili, akathatha ngesikhathi. Ungena as a sub, wayiwini position ukuthi ngiyaqala. Today we qedile man of the match. He deserve. I think first half he played better. He deserve man of the match the boy. And we have a need of Upili which is about 3-4. So coach nje kuye. I don't understand what he has brought at Kaizer Chiefs because me I see exactly Kaizer exactly. Ngibona yena uKhazi lo ambile no Ben. Ngibona uNabi because they were assistant yaka Nabi. So there's nothing much ama changes. Ulo mfana uphili nje uLetty Spark ku Chiefs as a player individual. He brought the spark at Kaizer Chiefs. I see same type of players because Umthetho is still doing the same in the midfield, not much of playing team. Ball position mele kuze ne rotate mele kume ne movement in the midfield. They don't have lively players like Upili. Skillful players who confident, you know, if you receive mistake, umbonile uzisive kanjalo. Le nto uyenza usho ngayo. So whatever he does, uyenza. You understand? He's convinced noma thatha umuntu uyambona ukuthi noma ngaba uyafeyila uyimnika i-benefit of the doubt, but you don't have those type of players. So ngisabona same team mina. I don't see any changes. Kunama-game abazowawina, kunama-game that they're gonna lose, especially vital games. So it's the same team for me. I don't see like any changes, honestly speaking.
Nice one. Thank you very much, Junior. It was a very poor game in the first half, really. Like, this is not even bad-mouthing this game. If you just watched it, you just felt sorry for the people. It's so cold in Joburg. If you're not here, it's so, so cold. And people go to the stadium, and the players felt so cold even themselves. And then in the second half, like Junior is saying, Chiefs deserves to win. But there is this thing that's lacking of control. You wonder if they face Sundowns without wanting to control the game, without really outworking the opposition team, how will they look like? Because Sundowns is not going to give you 60 minutes to get into the game. If you're too slow within the first half, you could lose the game in the first half. But well done to Kaizer Chiefs, 100%. Sekhukhune don't deserve anything in this game, 100%. They don't deserve anything in this game. It is KTV, it is Times, also splitting. Thank you for watching us.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.